Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the turbulent waters of Zimbabwean politics, focusing on a figure who's been making headlines recently, Chris Mutsvangwa. Chris Mutsvangwa, a name that resonates with power and controversy within the ZANU-PF party and across Zimbabwe. As a prominent politician and the spokesperson for ZANU-PF, Mutsvangwa has been a key player in shaping the political landscape of the country. But how exactly does his influence extend within these circles? Let's find out. Recently, the spotlight has turned towards Chris, not just for his political maneuvers, but due to his son, Neville Mutsvangwa's legal troubles. Neville was arrested and faced multiple charges, from dealing in foreign currency illegally to possession of unapproved telecommunications equipment. In a twist that seems straight out of a political drama, Chris did not just stand by. He made a bold move by pointing fingers at Vice President Chiwenga, suggesting that his son's arrest was a politically motivated act, orchestrated by his adversaries within the party to weaken his influence. Although Chris did not directly name Chiwenga, his implications were clear, questioning Chiwenga's credentials and asserting his son's innocence. This incident illuminates the intricate and often perilous nature of Zimbabwean politics, where personal and political lives are deeply intertwined. Chris Mutsvangwa's reaction showcases not only his protective paternal instincts, but also his savvy understanding of the political game, where every action can have far-reaching consequences. Moreover, this situation raises questions about justice and fairness. Will Neville face a fair trial, or will political influence shape his fate? This isn't just about one man's legal battle. It's a snapshot of the broader dynamics at play in Zimbabwe, where power, privilege, and accountability constantly clash. Chris Mutsvangwa's role in ZANU-PF is undeniably significant. As a veteran of the Liberation War and a long-standing party member, his words and actions carry weight. But as this situation unfolds, it's clear that his influence is being tested. Will he emerge weaker or stronger? Only time will tell. That's it for today's deep dive into Zimbabwean politics. The drama, the power plays, the accusations, they all paint a picture of a political landscape that's as fascinating as it is volatile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.